Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to switch accounts on Reddit. So first of all, go back to your screen and double check if the Reddit app needs to be updated. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get back to it, and I'm gonna click on my profile at the top right. And from here, you're gonna see your username, okbet1188, right? So I'm gonna just click the arrow next to my username. You're gonna see right here, anonymous browsing and add account. So I'm gonna just go ahead into adding an account, and you can have more than one option. You have 4 options. You can add your own phone number, you can add Google account, which is easier, or continue with Apple, or continue with an email, right? So basically you just go ahead and select the account, and basically you will have more than one account. Right here you will see it on the account, so you'll be able to switch by clicking the account that you want to switch to, like for example the anonymous browsing. So it's gonna switch to the anonymous mode, and like that. Alright, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.